Hey, it's Melissa with South Carolina Realty. I'm here at 100 Forest Brook in Gaston. We're going to start out inside because I'm already inside. And it's nice and cool in here. So let's take a peek and see what this home has to offer. Well, it looks like they've had a repair there on the ceiling. Popcorn can be hard to repair. So nice accent wall. Cute eat-in area. Cute little kitchen. And there is the light fixture switch. There we go. All right, so could be an eat-in area if you wanted, or you could put some cabinets or shelves here. But nice and clean. Looks really good. So you've got a stainless refrigerator, white microwave, white smooth top range, white dishwasher, double bowl sink. Nice storage up there. Let's see, we got, looks like laminate flooring, coat closet, nice storage. So you've got a front bedroom with carpet. It's a nice size. Bifold doors on the closet. Looks like they're packing, getting ready to go, which is great. Here's the hallway. This is a different layout. Let's see what we've got right here. Hello. So here is the garage. Single car garage, which they've set up as a home gym. We've got nice storage here. Water heater. Here's the panel box. Nice and modern. Mingles fans. All right. Very good. So it'd be easy enough to finish off the garage if you wanted to, but it could be fine just like that. Get that shut. Okay, so here's the laundry in the hall with a nice shelf above for detergent and so forth. And this should be the hall bath. Here we go. All right, so looks like LVP here, single vanity. You see that in a lot of bathrooms where people don't use the exhaust fan all the time and the moisture just gets up there, but that's a nice insert. Looks good. You know, you could replace those mirrors easily enough, or you could put a trim piece around it. Oh, well, look at that. We got a nice linen closet. All right, so this may be the primary or master bedroom. It's a good size. And there's a walk-in closet here. Okay, got carpet in this room as well. Nice. Super cute. The mirror's off the wall, but that's all right. So got a little separate vanity here. Nice tile, nice windows. This looks really good. Stand-up shower. All right. And let's take a peek. They look cute. Let's take a peek here, and here's the third bedroom. It's a nice size, kind of standard with closet and Christmas. So they're gonna do new molding everywhere soon. I think this weekend is what the agent said their plan was. So let's take a look outside. Got a sliding door here in the dining area. I'm good at breaking these, so let me not break it. You know what? I'll probably just walk around. I don't want to disturb that bar that they have right there, but Looks like I probably don't go out this door a lot. Okay, all right, success, I didn't break it. But you know what? This is really cute. Really cute. Let's go ahead and hit the outside. Oh, well, let's turn off the lights we turned on. What a good idea that would be. Ta-da. All right. Here we go. Let's get the door shut back. And then we'll walk around. Hold on, I gotta pull it a little bit harder. Okay. Mission accomplished. I would like to see some handrails up here, but okay, that could be added. So we'll walk around this side. Siding looks good. That looks like a cable box of some sort. HVAC unit. Not really any landscaping to speak of here. Just looks kind of natural. So I would say probably goes back to where you see through there. It looks like there's some grass on the other side, so that's probably the property line. I doubt it's this close to the house, but I could be wrong, but we can check out for sure. And the other thing about this location is it's really convenient to the school, which is essentially across the street. It's not really close to other homes. So there's the school. Looks like it's an elementary school and it's a middle school, Sand Hills Middle. All right. So, you know, I thought this said that it was on an acre. I could be mistaken. But if it is, where is it? Maybe it's this way? Maybe this lot goes this way. All right, well, let me know what you think.